Ever dreamt of becoming a millionaire before you turn 25? This dream, shared by countless young adults worldwide, comes true for only a rare few. Do you aspire to be part of that exclusive club? Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of early financial success. First, cultivate the millionaire mindset. This mindset is the cornerstone of financial success. Prosperous individuals view money differently. To them, it's not the destination, but rather the vehicle that drives them towards their ambitions. They understand that money is a tool, a resource to leverage in the pursuit of their dreams. Furthermore, they're not hamstrung by fear when it comes to taking calculated risks. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. Remember, your mindset determines your financial future. Now let's dive into some practical financial tips. First off, start saving and investing early. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to wealth accumulation. Secondly, diversify your investment portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them across different asset classes. Next, it's crucial to build multiple income streams. Don't rely solely on your 9-to-5 job. Explore side hustles, freelance opportunities, or even start your own business. Additionally, minimize your debts. High-interest debts can eat away at your potential savings. Finally, continuously educate yourself about personal finance and investment strategies. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can also be wealth. Apply these financial tips consistently, and you're on your way to becoming a millionaire. So, are you ready to take the leap towards becoming a millionaire? It's all about adopting the millionaire mindset, understanding the value of money, and applying practical financial management. It's about making smart investments, saving diligently, and taking calculated risks. It's your journey, and it's about taking that first step. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your journey towards financial freedom today.